Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code in Canva. So it is fast, easy and perfect for linking to the websites, social media or any digital products. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the create design option. Over here, you can choose any size depending on where you want to use the QR code, like business cards, posters, or flyers. You can select that. Let's say I have selected Instagram post. So after clicking on it, you will see this type of blank canvas in front of you. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on apps. In your apps, you will have to use the search bar in the top and search for QR code generator. Now, once you search for it, you will find these two applications. So you can select any of the apps of your choice. Let's say I'm going to select this one. So over here, you need to click on it and click on the open button. Now it will ask for the integration, but let's say I don't want to do the integration as of right now. So you need to just come back here in your apps. Here you need to again click on the QR code option and select the QR code. Let's say I have selected this one. So after opening it, it will ask you to provide your URL. So you need to paste the URL of your social media, your website, your YouTube channel, product page, any of the one that you want. Then click on the generate code option. Now once you click on the generate code, a unique QR code will be generated. So you can adjust it on this template just like so. If you want to add any text in the bottom, simply hover over to the left hand section, go to the text option, click on the add a text box, and here you can type your text in the bottom just like this one. So once you are done with it, you will have to just click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen, click on the download option, and you need to download its PDF. So now you can share it to anyone that you want. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.